Do you have $100, $50, or maybe even $10? Well, guess what? You don't need any money, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start affiliate marketing for completely free. And if you're new here, welcome to Online Muscle Hustle, where all we do is find different ways to make online income. So let's get to it. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make online income. It does take a while to see some income, but if you put in the work, you will surely see it sooner or later. With affiliate marketing, you can promote various items using ads or a website, but this can easily turn into hundreds of dollars being spent without seeing any income in return. Luckily, there's a decent number of ways you can start affiliate marketing without spending a dime. First, I'll show you where you can find the products, the free traffic sources we'll be using to promote the products, and lastly, how to grow the traffic you can get from the free traffic sources to potentially grow your income to $100 to $300 a day. Some websites you can use to find the products that you want to promote is cjaffiliate.com, Amazon Associate Program, Impact.com, and web hosting services. All these affiliate programs are free to sign up for, and within a couple days you'll be able to promote any of the products on there that you want. One I highly recommend to start off with is Amazon Associate Program. Not only is they really easy to get into, you'll be able to get the link to any product you want in there, and Amazon is a very trustworthy company, so you don't even have to build trust with the customers because they already know about Amazon. And also, Amazon has a lot of products on there, like a lot. So whatever, even if you're in the dog niche or the lawnmower niche, car niche, whatever it is, you'll be able to find a product on Amazon. Alright, now that I mentioned a couple websites you can sign up to for free to find a product that you want to promote, it's time to check out some traffic sources. But first, before I go over my favorite ones that I like to use, I would first want to mention a couple runner-ups. And the first one is growing an account on Instagram. This is fairly easy. All you have to do is pick a topic, create that topic around your Instagram account, get different content related to that topic, and boom, just like that, over time you'll be able to easily grow your Instagram account. Just make sure you post anywhere from 2 to 5 times a day. Another great free source you can use is using forums. Answering people's questions on forums like Yahoo Answers or Quora. When you answer questions on forums, everyone who Googles that same question, it can be months later or even years later, will see your answer. And if you have a great answer and your affiliate link embedded in that answer for them to see the product, they'll click on that, and no matter how long ago it was, you'll still be getting paid for that. And it's easy. All you have to do is just answer their question thoroughly, make sure your link is in there, and I would say do this for 100 to 300 questions, and that's a lot of questions to answer. But once you completed all those questions, it's be there forever. And you'll be able to get hundreds, maybe even thousands of clicks on your link a day, making sure you get at least a couple sales every day on whatever you're promoting. And those were just a couple free traffic sources I thought I would mention, but let me get into my favorite ones now. One of my favorite free traffic sources to use is Facebook groups. Facebook groups is an excellent way to promote affiliate links. It will take some time and effort to grow your Facebook group, but once you do, you'll be able to promote any product you want in front of your whole group. Because when you create a Facebook group, all your links will be at the top, no matter if you have 10 people or 10,000 people. It's simple to create a Facebook group as well. All you have to do is go to facebook.com, sign up for a free account if you don't have one already, click on groups, then click on create new group. After that, just fill in the necessary little bit of information they ask for, which is only a couple questions. It'll probably take you less than 5 minutes to fill them all out. And once you do this, anybody will be able to search up your group and join it. And now we will go over how to grow your Facebook group. The ways to grow your Facebook group is not hard at all. It's actually pretty simple. The first way is join groups similar to yours and stay active in that group and answer people's questions. And once you do this, just add them as a friend and send them an invite to your group. You just answered their question and help them out, so they'll be more likely to join your group because they know they'll be able to get more of their questions answered if they have any. Once you get around 20 to 30 people in your group, make sure you're asking anyone if they need help with anything, if it's related to your group topic, that you can help them answer that question. And make sure you're doing multiple posts per day, because once Facebook sees this, they'll up your group in the search ranking, and that's where most of the group members you get will come from search results. And our next free traffic source is one of my personal favorites, and that is using medium.com to write blog posts. Medium.com is a blog host containing both amateur and professional writers to write blog posts for them. You're able to sign up to medium.com and write for them for completely free. All you have to do is fill out a little bit of information and you'll be on your way to write blog posts for them. And once you do sign up, you'll be able to write on any topic you want to. And once your blog posts are out there, medium.com will allow anyone to search up and read your blog post. Just write a post on whatever your topic is, insert your link in said post. Anyone that reads it will be able to click and purchase through your link. And in my opinion, it's pretty cool to write for a big website like medium.com. And if you're hesitant to join medium.com because you think it's too popular, you won't be able to get into it, there's no need to be. The way that Medium works is they need content for their readers. So instead of hiring a bunch of writers, they make it free to write on their website. In return for content that you'll be creating, they allow you to embed links into your posts so you can promote whatever product you want to. So in this way, it benefits both parties. It benefits you and it benefits Medium. The way to grow on Medium is simple and easy. All you have to do is write blog posts. The more reads you have, the more Medium will feature your content. Once you have around 30 to 60 blog posts on your account, when your content will start to be promoted more by Medium. So it's time to get to writing. The last free traffic source I'm going to be mentioning is called Pinterest marketing. Pinterest is a great platform to promote on. Pinterest is a lot like Google in many ways, but when you search for anything on Pinterest, you see images instead of websites. And a plus, a lot of people that search on Pinterest do it with the intent to buy something. With people on Instagram or Facebook, they get bombarded with a bunch of ads, but people actually on Pinterest want to buy something. So that's a big bonus for you because you're trying to sell them something. The way we're going to promote on Pinterest is by using Pinterest pins and story pins. We can easily make Pinterest pins by using a free website called canva.com. Just go to Google or whatever your web browser is, search up canva.com and sign up for a free account. Once you do this, go to the search and search for Pinterest pins. What this do is make your Pinterest pin the right size for Pinterest, and just you already made pins that look really nice. And you can change it up for whatever color, customize it however you want. You can even change the images that's already on them. And if you need additional pictures or videos, you can use another free website called Pexels.com. Once you get to Pexels.com, all you need to do is type in whatever your niche is. Let's say mine is dogs. I'm selling dog products, so I will type in dogs and get anything that will relate to dogs. And after I found something I want, just click on it, hit the download button, and once we download it, it's time to go back to Canva.com. And once we're back at Canva.com, go to upload your photo that you just downloaded from Pexels, and then you can insert it into your Pinterest pin to customize that picture however you want. And once you have your Pinterest pin to your liking, just hit the download button. And just like that, your Pinterest pin is ready. I would say create 2 to 3 pins per day. It takes around 10 minutes to create one pin, so you'll be working on this 30 to 45 minutes a day. But if you don't want to do this and just want to create a bunch at the beginning of each week so you don't have to do this, that will work too. A great app I would suggest is called Tailwind. They're great for Pinterest, for tips, and being able to schedule your post ahead of time. These free traffic sources I just explained is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many different ways to promote affiliate links to people. These work the best for me and are some of my favorite ways to promote my affiliate links. And I hope they work great for you as well. And hey, look at that. We've reached the end of the video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, smash that like button for me and hit that thumbs up arrow to see more ways to make money online, because at Online Muscle Hustle, that's all we do. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and are able to use these free methods to create some very serious affiliate cash. Until next time.